Hi folks, can you see the mountains up there? Greetings from South Tyrol, Val Venosta. I'm standing in front of BASIS. This is a former military barrack. Nowadays, a social activation hub, and this is where Berlin Change Days goes Alpine. So Berlin Change Days travels for the first time will take place. October 27 to 29 here in this spectacular co-working and event place. We will also have two workation weeks from October 15 to 22nd and from October 22nd to 29, including the festival tickets. So we are really aiming for offline, we're aiming for hybrid, but more than anything, we're really aiming for bridging worlds, yesterday and tomorrow, digital and analog, tradition and innovation. And the title of this year's festival will be Exploring the Mountain Within, as this is the only way we will be able to cope with that crisis, with VUCA, with the melting of the world as we knew it. Looking forward to meet you here. Bye.